Right here. We're about to make a video about our cheat day.
I've been looking forward to this day for so long. Cutting sucks.
We had to buff it though. Buff it.
So show them what you got. I'm gonna go get some.
I'm film. What are you doing? What are you eating? It's cheat day. It's a lot of carbs. Vulcan? Yeah?
See my plate. I like some chicken, some fried chicken, some mashed potatoes. Not some mashed potatoes, some mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. What you got, Rebecca?
Someone on a diet.
You're on a diet?
Except for ignore the ketchup since it's all
It's
sugar.
cheat day though. It's cheat day.
No. Cheat day.
Cheat day.
Give me all.
Give you all one. This is me cheating. I'm still gotta stay. I can't go with the
You're looking lean, man.
trying, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Feeling guilty about these potatoes, but since everybody else does pancakes and shit,
It's cheat
I'm
day.
gonna go ahead and
It's cheat day, man. We do one day.
I'm gonna tell you how I look at it though.
Is this so?
'Cause,
You see how Rob come alive? He said he come alive when the camera's on. You see?
oh, see, I didn't realize. I kind of realized, but no, this is how I look at it. I really can't cheat, you know what I'm saying? Because once I start to give way to and get that taste of shit that I like, you know what I'm saying? Like you go,
And some
if I go
people-
to Wild Wings, whatever. That's just the beginning of the end for me. So I
Yeah.
just gotta stay with it.
So you don't go too hard?
I can't go too hard, man. I just
You just started too, so you have to build a habit.
exactly. So I gotta do what I gotta do.
Yeah. Sometimes I'll be like cheat day like a challenge.
Feel like
But
this,
like that's going too overboard though.
like these extra potatoes and all that I'm about to throw down. I just gotta look at myself and say, all right, I got a slow week ahead. I gotta push out some extra cardio to get it off.
I said, I mean, you definitely lost weight since last time I see you. Like I see it in your face, everything.
Yeah, no, I
Your
lost
wife
a ton
noticing
of weight.
everything and all that.
I was telling it, man. I mean, like
Like your shirts look
t-shirts,
small.
my belly used to stick out. Like you see the first video.
What'd you get, Brian?
I got a few
What
things.
didn't he get?
I got grits. I got cheesy grits.
Grits.
Yeah.
Welcome to my world.
Is that how you want to be seen?
Let me see.
White chocolate, M&M's, no ice cream.
She just got the toppings.
Thank you very much.
I need more white chocolate.
Just the toppings.
Right.
Yeah.
What kind of phone?
It's an iPhone.
We ordered the same thing, so it's all good.
He's medium rare.
Who's me? Me. Yeah. Oh. You know what you're doing, man. I'm sorry. Hey, I'm sorry.
Is there honey butter for the cornbread?
You like pickles? Get a close up of this. One of It's all about the macros, guys. It's all about the macros.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
I just don't want to ruin the photo. Of you sharing.
It's not a photo, it's video.
Oh, so now I'm in the video.
You want some of this? I can cut you a piece. Yeah?
I'm gonna go for it. living.
We'll have a sweet potato cup. We'll have a sweet potato cup.
Nah, we forgot to order it.
Baked sweet potato.
Big sweet potato? Give it up to you. An old fashioned?
Yeah.
Of course.
Good choice.
Yeah?
You had it before? You like it?
No.
Oh, you're really not gonna like it.
It's not bad. I would order it.
All right.
No, it's not that bad.
Really?
I don't think she's gonna like it. Then again, I don't know you that well.
True.
Like a commercial for the pie. Oh, there it goes again.
I know, look at it.
Yeah, there goes the.
Ooh.
Give me a cappuccino. You're welcome.
Sorry. Just making a little commercial for this.
I'll send it to you guys.
Don't mind me. Ain't no telling what to do for the pay.